Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about what is Amazon Prime Day? What is Amazon Prime membership? How to get Prime membership? When is Amazon Prime Day? Amazon Prime Day is an annual shopping event exclusively for Amazon Prime members. Launched in 2015 to celebrate Amazon's 20th anniversary, Prime Day has grown into one of the biggest online shopping events of the year. Amazon Prime membership is a subscription service offered by Amazon that provides members with a wide range of benefits designed to enhance their shopping and entertainment experiences. For an annual or monthly fee, members gain access to a variety of exclusive services and perks that make shopping and enjoying content more convenient and cost-effective. Key benefits of Amazon Prime membership: free 2-day shipping on eligible items. In select areas, members can enjoy same-day or one-day delivery on eligible items, get new releases delivered on the day they are released, access to thousands of movies, TV shows, and Amazon originals, stream content on various devices, including smart TVs, tablets, smartphones, and computers, ad-free access to over 2 million songs and thousands of playlists, ability to download music for offline listening, unlimited access to a rotating selection of ebooks, magazines, comics, and more, borrow content to read on Kindle devices or the Kindle app, exclusive savings and discounts at Whole Foods Market, convenient grocery delivery and pickup through Amazon Fresh, try on clothing, shoes, and accessories before you buy them, pay only for what you decide to keep. Exclusive family-oriented offers and discounts, up to 20% off diaper subscriptions, free monthly channel subscriptions and in-game loot for gamers, access to exclusive gaming content, early access to lightning deals and exclusive promotions. Be the first to shop limited time offers, unlimited photo storage and 5 GB of video storage, securely store and share your photos and videos. Transform your everyday with Amazon Prime. Click the link in the description and sign up today. Don't forget to like video, subscribe my channel for more videos and press bell icon for early notification. Thanks for watching.